Some boy are corrupt and full of hate. Old man want hold some money here. If you not behave a grave here, you don't know nothing about badness. Hey, let me tell you this. A old man want hold some money for slap on the cross in the face with the matic. Whoop! I could have piss and shit up on yourself. Drag! Yeah, me I tell you. Wait till me hold some money boy a road. 67 and the 80 is real. Now left nothing, everything a jog. Now if you say 40 word, you know, 39 good already, you hear? Nothing no good up a brain, you hear that? And I hear. You see all the people who fit in so well and perfect in a society. What they watch a video, let me tell you this. This is my approach and my way this to reach out to an audience, a certain type of people in our country, with some positivity back of that. So if you feel like I do something wrong, do something better. On the battlefield, man, live every day, a man see it, every day I know how things stay, see it. I tell, oh no, pram, you dirty boy when I mind up in them. You know, so grown up, breed up the people, man, I want mind up in them. If I go look, walking a dirty boy. You know, see, you're soon 40, dirty boy, and you still live like you're 11. Hey boy, you know yourself too, you know. That me I tell you, you know. You know, see, you know, good example to your son. You know, see your son, you know, see what kind of lifestyle your son come pick up. You know, see, you set the dirty workless strength for you. What kind of example you set for you. That me I tell you, hey, some man dirty workless target, man, cross to, you know. You know, fix up on yourself if you don't want to fix up Jamaica. That me I tell you, you know. Yeah. And you know, dirty girl, go set up yourself. Me not call you a woman, because you're not hot like no woman, you act like a dirty girl. So a girl me I call you. You know, set no example for your daughter, you know, girl. You need to go look in the mirror and see say you live like you're still 16, you know, girl. Then look at dirty girl and know themselves. You see me I say my daddy? Then if you know themselves too, you know. Yeah. And dirty boy, you may chat, you know, dirty workless boy. You have to grow up. Yeah.